Good evening, guys. Now is Asian menu today. This is salad, corn with beans. This is the mix up with onion. This is the salad for today. So there's the next, and now is the main course. Beef.
With potato.
Wow, beef with potato. Okay, look at that. Yeah, that is very nice and very good. So that is the dal. Oh, sorry, this is the dal. Please look at this, the dal. Nice, it's very hot, huh? And this one also the vegetables will mix. Yeah, for the Asian. So that's mixed nationality. I like it here. And for the Filipino dishes, this is adobo. Yeah, this is adobo. Yeah, this is sweet and sour adobo. Nice. And white rice also. Ginisang cabbage or repolyo for the and the soup. Look at this the soup. Yeah. And now there are preparations. So this is our supervisor, outlet supervisor, Mr. Yeah. Hello, is so busy. See, this is working long time here in Nestle. In 25 years working. So that is the menu, right? So at least you see that is the counter. Look at the counter here, and we see will be like that. Yeah. So okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share and comment. Thank you. Bye.